Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee fuel grinder. Model number on this guy is 2880-20. Starting off, we're going to go over kind of putting all the accessories on it. So we are going to start off by putting this blade guard on. Just to show you this real quick, so there is a spring-loaded tab here that will push down. And you'll also want to line up this almost going straight up with those right there so that those teeth kind of drop back behind that. And then you'll press back on the top and spin like you see me doing right now. And that is going to allow you to lock the guard in place. And you can slide it around and move it over to different spots as well. After we get that guy on, the next part's going to be the lower flange or the bottom flange. You will see one side is flat and the other side has those divots. That divot side is going to go down so that those can lock onto that like so. So that's going to go like this and you'll spin it until it locks in place. After the bottom flange, you're going to drop your blade or your grinding wheel on. And then you're going to put your top flange on like so. From there, on the back head right here, you're gonna see there's a blade brake. So you're gonna push that button in, and then you're gonna take your key, and you're gonna go ahead and line up the two holes. And while pushing that blade brake, if you don't push it, everything will just spin together like you see. However, if you do push that blade brake, it's gonna hold everything in place so that you're able to tighten it down. You'll feel it drop in. And then from there, while holding it, you'll spin it, and that's going to tighten everything into place. And then the handle can go onto either side. There we go. Alright guys, and then we're going to drop our battery in. This guy does have a paddle, so you'll have to move this safety out of the way by flipping it up with your finger. From there, start it. And as always, we're going to demo this guy and grind a little bit off of this piece of wood here. Just because nothing better than sparks and a grinder. But then you got some nails. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. We hyper appreciate everybody. Don't forget to subscribe as we give something away every month. Also, don't forget to check out SpendLessStore.com. That is our only sponsor of this video and this channel. And for there, we have all the tools you see behind us for sale. Everything pre-tested and it changes all the time. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.